Ba bomporo ke mo profeta PFP Motsweneng re mona Palm Ridge Court. You know, life is very unfair, but God is always good. And yonke into eyenzakala empilweni yakho, everything that happens in your life happens for a reason. And it's very important. Or life is unpredictable. Life is like a weather. Today, kuba mnyama kube njani kuzama storms, hails, hurricane, the FIFO. The next day it's bright, the sun is shining. That's why it's very important to trust in the Lord. Babusisiwa bamethembayo uJehova, you know, and ngoba yonke into kulomhlaba is unstable. Awuna ntwena le guarantee. The only guarantee you can find is in God. Kajenele mo with the maternal family, Malaza Khalele Webster, njengoba uyazi ukuthi sine case yabantwana engaboshwa ngahlala 40 days in prison. I'm out on bail. Iyaqhubeka namhlanje bangilethe la for harassment. So izoqhubeka May 29 zika April. Mawufuna ukuzwa, all the media houses, they're invited to come and attend May 29 zika April. And now kuko konke okungivelele nangu baba baningi abantu yabona being in prison kele route by just going to sine story la before ngiza kusamkhulu. Now Mkhulu has been unlawfully arrested for 15 years. Kune story la sika Cwecwe, is it Cwecwe? When she was 6 years old, she was raped. And the investigations masizwa kuma state agencies. Bare is not the first time. Now the principal who refused to give samples. And AfriForum, the principal wouldn't give just samples because the mother demands the samples. It should be normal processes, you know, legal processes should be followed. Or samples should be taken. He's not charged as a suspect, and you know, there must be a purpose for it. It was arrested when, it happened when? October, November, December, January, February, March, April, 6 months. A 6-year-old. And agwaziwa kuTubani. Why do you now as Alama samples Atu principal is not the one? Asans, what if Ati caretaker is not the one? I want to pray for that family. How was the relationship of the mother and the child, the father and the child? Adule over a week, Abe Askashola Mwana could not share the pain, had no one she could trust in the family. Now I want to just look into it. The little children, let there be that strong relationship that is building. Because I can run to umama, I can run to umalume, I can run to ubaba. Konamanje, it's 6 months. The child cannot identify anyone. The child cannot remember anything. Make sure batswadi hore bana le abacheka, you know, a ke tsebe ha nna ke accuse yo hore ke ile ka diphanga ka rescue ditlolo tsa ka izukulu zami ubaba wazwa shayi wavalelwe bakhahlelwa nabo ngabakhipha ngaphuma nabo ngi1 by 10. I could not. Now, if you are a father, can you fold your arms? Can you fold your arms? When I say about march, but the two tsaka, Isutle, Sabeta Chincha, Lidicolo, and what happened? Once on the order, I called the ring, Reskaya Skolong because of the misinformation in Institute. Raya Tronkong as a kidnapper. Abantu bangas go to Angsi kidnap. Election got to Magotu Ubabompor is going to school kidnapping children. I was and Bashis and so on because of the misinformation. So before community, any crime along Rinka action, let us check our facts. Let us protect our children. Even noma kuabo mama bayenza a crime. Ayinga condone a crime ngoba yenziwa abo mama. Now, my grandchildren, Yanya Slice, I had to fight for them. I country isugumile ngocwecwe manje bayalwa. Kodwa mina ngabazukulu bami kaditlolo tsaka kaditlolo tsaka kya blame me or why did I fight for my grandchildren? Because Kibashima, let us not only protect girls, let's protect boys and girls. Itlolo tsanda demporo ke batla justice for tsona. You know, Ndademporo went to jail for rescuing his grandchildren. Now let's look into the family. Ndate kima?
Ndate Jacob More.
Ndate Jacob More ko bona ko ratile. Yeah, ndate ona ke mratile. My father died when I was 20 years. And when I saw you, ke ipona nakinale kadi 8 April, kitabekere 15. Hello. Kitabekere 57 years. Now kiabona kinalibuso unyana mo ndate kiyo. Ke phunyuhile gore no sa tlame no lwana hore ke ska thola pay. Ke ska shapa mantsoso because what's all shapa mantsoso ba tla re ke so I spent that time because court nefilwe misinformation or address the funny address wrong negets already junior correct a lot of information that was false. How many people by Lengore they are arrested for, but in everything else ahala because when I looked at him kwapere suit or a suit but nagere suit it's said baba kodwa uyabona ukuthi ubaba umuntu osithandayo noma sekangasenako okuningi but he's still trying his best. Baba usitshela story sakhe or wethe story sahanda or website
1991 ke tlogele ka 24 ke a tloga ke a tropo ne ke dula le ausinyana wa le khalati ba re ke Catherine Low
o dula jwang le ena ntate
ne le motho ne re phisa
le phisana jwang
gore ne le mme ka re ke mosadi
o no le mosadi wa le khalati ntate 1991 wa le yellow pole yo
all right ka bo phelisana ga rona he a tlo re modimo wa re fa matlanya
wa mo prekisa ndaba
ba ba nele
hey ya ne
ka di 24 4
mara wa bonala vele wena o bontate ba o no le clever nyana
ka re le ke tropong le na go ipatela sengwenyana le ke bone mme fela a sa le so
Ya,
se di tsore ke motho le bo di maternity nyana le dilonyana tse tsa molene a khotso pa le mo le ke se mo sa le mo so ya ka mai twele ke a tropong ke go za mo e tsa ka itekela topsi al ke motho di ka ti ba le ebe ke mo rekela di bo maternity nyana mararo le di painting nyana tse sa di
o mrekela le di-painting da
tse taro pela ke mosadi
tse jwang painting sa teng
se le khala se ke le vetse ka rana
ya mara ke tse hot nda
ke ntse tse ke no ga di tsa bona tse
yo ndada e tshwara paint bua nda
ai ka di kenya mo apa ke tsa mo ntho tsa bona tsa di shopping carton plastic di pandi tsa plastic tsa bona ka di nka ha ka tsamaya ke ya ke se petso reka ke crosser Victoria ke ba tlo tshwara di tse
Yeah.
ke di mo ka tse
and o kentse le di-jobs le
next time you must break ka tolore ke aka like unfortunately or ka bad santse ke re ka khaboganya ka ke shortcut nyana ke mo go ne ke go tshwara di taxi teng go tlhagella maburu e kutle fela motho mo
se ba o tshwara nda
ba tshwara ba nkgogela mo flateng ke flat ba fire brigade ba le ba nna ke nagana gore bana ka gong go na le ntho e motho mo a e bone ba expecting gore ke pay ba date ka gore le pay ba ke di di wele
ne le maburu a eng a
a mararo ba tima mello
Oh, ba di-
fire brigade
fire brigade
au ai ba gogela ga ke fetla mo flateng mo ka ntse o mo ba re ke lo a ke rena ba le bararo
Yeah.
bo re ba ntshwere tabo
ba o lahlela fatshe ne no le decent ka wa bona gore no apara right
ba ngusetsa fatshe ke kentse top silver
Yeah.
ke mo paka
ya
ne ke
ya o
kentse
bona gore-
montsha ele le montsha ne se station ai ka wa mo ba thongo ba ragaka o mongwe wa bona ke na ile ka a bua o tsapile ka pipe
yo
ke
ke pipe ye.
ke tlo stishiwa
Oh my god
ke tlo stishiwa ke
yo
Treswagen hospital
yo
yaanong mosadi o naga o re momati o re motlhotse mo le ka re ba ntse ba bua mo ba o mongwe re ne man ke mo kenye kae mothakong a re mo kenye gona mo veneng ka mo morago ka re ke mmoditse ka re ke kene veneng mo kae Ba re
Van
ne-
yang?
ya maponeng
haebo so o tshwarwa jwale
ka re ke batho ba ne ke re nna ke nagana gore ke agong ke maponesa pele ba bone gore ke a otliwa ba ntshusa kante batho ba tsa gore ke molao wa gore
se e le part ya maponesa alright
ba babedi
wa kenywa
Ba
veneng ya
SAP.
maponesa
ba nkenya ka morago wa re a re mo ise hospital ke re banna sorry maponesa bone diphatso tsa ka ke tsele dintho tse ntse ke bua ke re ne ke tshwere stopping ya ka ke ele mo ba re ai o tla di kry-a diphatso tsa tot ka jeng a ke seo ke re le next di nkiwe ga ke tloga mo mosadi wa fetsa o stisa ke mmotsa ke re ga ngwale leina o tla re o ke mang wena
a banka le leina la gago
a re maburu a mabedi a le a re go tlise mara ke sa bua next le wena ke le khalane ka re mara mme
ene ka mo sile le khalati ka tlong
ke re beanong a mpolele
eish mona man
o ka nstitcha ka wa ntlhaba ka di-injection o sa mpotse leina o tlo re kgwetsagalang ke molao a ke re o nnese sontse o ngwale everything o mpha pakete empty a ya ngwale
so ha re jump and that ha le tloa mo la ya kae
Jamestown Police Station nna ke nana gore ga ba khutlha so ene nna ke fetsa a ba nna ba sa tlholo ba le teng ba nsile le lekhalatile le pela
and then
ka
wa
tsamaya
bona
ka dula ga mosadi wa fetsa sentse ke mmotsa gore o etsang o sa ngwale o sa mbotse lebina
And then wa etsalang?
a ba re ke tswe nna ke tsamaye ga tsebe le maponisa a kae ke a mmotsa gore ao ketlile ke mabaotsile a kae batho ba ba reng wena o sa bua next
alright ntho e ke batlang o e tholang that
ee
o itse o ile wa tshwara
ee
o ne o tshwerwe mo
ee
wa etsalang
ore ga re fitlha ko police station ga re fitlha police station ga re sa ya ko ke latlhegetsweng mo dilo
ba o isa police station
bankisa street Jamestown Police Station a re fitlha Jamestown Police Station re kry-a adjudante wa lekgowa le ba maponisa a batho ba batsho ba re mo adjutanto re ma re kopa o le kwalle motho ona re tla boa ra no go tewa ba teng batho ba tla ba tlo mo searchisisa ba re we are no o ye so ka re wa gana o re ga ke tsebe ga ke kgone go ka kwalla motho ona le sena tšhatse le mentseng o entse ga gona tare ke ba tlhagise bonnete gore ke ntse sentse ba bua sebakanyana ke ba tsamaya ba ithuwa adjutanto ona ke a makala o entse o ka re wa gana gore a ka se nkwalele a sa itse gore nkwalela koa o sa re mo leponeseng ga ba fetsa ba tswa ba itsamaya ga bu o ra leponesa re man straight home too net gona mo ba nkwalle to ke ra bo ke kene jang ga ka ngwalo le lebitso ne le go kiwa le
jalo
ba kenya tronko ke kene di sele go ntele molao mara go sena gore
so ha ona charge ona
a ke ngwalo a ke ngwa go na charge
then o ya court ba re
ile ka di 27 ko court o tlelle pele
all right
ntse ke o ithole hantle gore ntho e se ka o baile is it 24 25 a re se sepe ba ntse ba nkwaletse Christmas 26 go tlhagella leponese wa motho montsho sajeng le mongwe wa private ba re ya ba re tla ke re wa itse December bo time batho ba tlapa ba ngata ba malemetse ba o tliwa go lemetse nna ne ke kere to gripantisimo ka gore ke ne ke lemetse mo ba tla maponesana ba rutse ka ntla re fetsa go tja ka re go di police station ba cheka wa sheba ga ba bue ba re monna ba ba mso bone ka patleng ba tja re wena ntate man ke bua le ka re wena o tshware ke wena ke wa o se mpitsa wena ke botsa ene le pontsha le CID a re monna ne ntate mane ke bukore ke batla mtato mo ba rutlile mona a tshapiwe mogolego wa teng o tlile mo a tshapiwe ka dikedi ke mabura fire brigade
antola lo kwena
ke batla ka tola ro ka re ka itse ke nna be ka re anong ntate ke ka mo bonang ke botsa ke bua yana le wena wa o le motho wa molao ke tsitswe ke batho ba molao ba tshwana le wena motsimo ga ba go bolela gore ke mang ka nteng a ke re anong ke ra gore o kry-ile pampiri fela a gona le lengolo a gona le gore ke ngwetswe a ka
jale ntate ka baka la nako re sa tlo e bua beyond this ka baka la nako ore o ile wa dula nako e kae
15 years ke tswile 2004 from 91
15 years and then ko court ne ba re
judgment no ga ona menwana o gwetswe apartheid ke re le tšhelete di teng ke na le dipampiri baba ke na le ntho kaofela e buang ke molao o batlile
di kae ntho tseo
di ko nna ko ntlong bona
that right hlonga o so ka mo kenga
ke tsetsa harassment ke case ya
all right go bone le monthongele ya scheme GP
ya Tembalikele
ya Tembalikele ke bontshitswe ko wena next side now mo le no apere hantle man ko re no sa
ne ke kentse shoot vele mo
yeah and o chefile when was it no shoot and jail
2024 ona no ka re ke December pela shoot
and now from that stage my point got from that stage na apere very decent now standard
is
standard in the city oha di teng tseo tse ka but wa bona hona jwale ndate mshebisile mo fans
from
and unfortunately not utswileng tronko 2004 chekaji you know onale up to 3 years to sue after 3 years you can no longer sue only 6 months to notify organs of state if ubasua unless onale mabaka outa wa hlalosa whether that application right so case ya how that unfortunately that unlawful arrest is expiring. So what we will do, what I want to do in Naka, I want to find a way or in Kasabitsana Juan Lena Remutuse, Remo Pilde, Kelelong, reaching life here. Ki sympathize a low enough because Kidutse almost around 40 days. ho beiwa mabaka kaofela a maka hore ke ska thola pain. By the time nnete e hlahella ne se re dutse re survivile di-torture, re survivile ho bolawa, ke thusitswe ke Modimo. Now there are many people ba ileng hore ba trongong ka di-crime tse ba sa di etsang. There are people ba ileng hore ba tshwarisetswa o jola le motho kapo ratana le motho, ha motho a mo lahla, then o bula case ya rape. Di teng ntho tse jwalo. Ba bang it's a political battle, ba bang ke mona, and so on. But in this situation, trust in God, believing in God, giving your life to Him will restore you. You ska lose hope. Wa bona nna ho tshile kereke, bona ke jwang ako ntlhaise mo ako ntlhaise a ke le ntlhaiseng. Amen. Bona ke hot jwang. This is right now trending, currently the hottest grandfather, father, Taimala Kokasi, mo prophet, the hottest prophet right now. You can see. Ke everything, the God of restoration, my trust in God, my faith in God has turned my life around. Anything that happens in your life, there's a reason. And with all what is happening in my life, many lives that were destroyed, many lives that were hopeless, bafumani hope kanna. I'm a living example how Mudimu does make a way. Someone who is unlawfully arrested. Someone who is raped. Someone who is defrauded. Someone who is at times you can even be failed by your lawyers. If they can't put their facts properly, but they that trust in God, they can never be disappointed. Kinali journey ya #MboroMuporo Flight 57. I'm on a flight, I'm on a journey of turning lives around and turning my own life around. Kinali program airing, carried by Christ on the cross. All the pains, all the suffering that will slowly kali. Auna motho tlo thusang legally a never sa thola nix go re nna le wena re bue ka Modimo re bone or how do we help each other. And ke o fe mosebetsi o ka o etseng ka o fang ona, because I also fail ka phelo ba hao. O na le mosadi o na tje, and then mitjhini ntse e sebetsa kaofela. Wa tseba mitjhini e buang ka ke
ke lokisa di-TV.
a ke bue ka mitjhini ya di-TV. Okay, right. Okay, wena o lokisa di-TV. So wa kgona ho di etsa ntho tseo. Ntate is a technician. I'm going to test it. I'm going to work le ntate. I don't want to do this anymore, but that I'm touched away. Because then I can see already after 7 years trialing for kidnapping my own grandchildren. It's a serious thing. For carrying automatic rifle, all those lies in the debate. So I see the grace of God ukuthi ngiphume out of jail ke khona ho deal with the state. So I want to help you but ba ileng hore mesebetsi ya matsonda re tlo checka di skills ona le tsona because it's in your gift where you can live. You are not disabled. Or at the age of 73, how can you build? How can I help you build? And when I reach 73, kore ke batla ho modify ko bone below my time ana khona ngwe tlhokomela re change everything and then obele hope and show her through God you can start over. Ka hashtag Mboro Flight 57. My program will join a 500 rand. You get a program in ale ditapelo in ale lentswe in ale program ya ho thusa ho roba stress and brokenness. La ile hore o situation e leng hore pelo ai ka re ka ema o robala ka mesamelo e 3-4 emeholo you can't sleep. That program will do wonders for you. Nkile ka etsa DVD ya volume 1. It sold over 300,000 copies. Abantu me ba bethela ngayo ba ikupela na phansi. E tshwara dithokolosi. E tshwara meemebe. So, if you have issues of health that are traumatizing you, that's the program. So, as I turn 57, ka the 8th sa April, ke tlo kena le wena ntate ha o batla re change life ya hao o sebetse kore re batla o bontsha Satan le di enemy tsa hao kore ke a bona o tshwere le di ntho tsa di protection on all the issues tse ngata. I'm going to give you that time because I feel you deserve the grace of God. Kore e ke etsang a sa attend about mahal. But when I want to give you an exclusive program, you can start again at the age of 73. Then I'm starting again at the age of 57. So now there is no way the state can pay you for all that, but you can start over with God. One good on that. Yes.
Da tempo ka modimo phelang o re mo dumelang ka go fapa fapana haro mara ro sentse go fapa fapana modimo ga o mo dumelang o tsamalwe o ka go wena ga gona matsi.
Yes, yes.
Ya no ngire mo wena expiring date ga no ba teng ife ba ke ma ka a sempeleng le mara nnete ga e bole nnete ga e fele yo dulele jwalo ke le ka botsa ke ba bangata ba ba buang ka mogobuileng ka teng gore ya expire ntho ya molao ga modimo sa go bolokile o sa le teng bona modimo re gantso re ke go beile ke sentse go beetse sebaka o beda ga go no tlo changeang a go no tlo etsang sa se ratang ka wena
No true.
ke tlo tsamaya mo pele ga gago ke na le wena yaanong se sengwe se seng ga se expire ntho e expirang ke o ke mo tlositseng pele a bona ba ba sala mo o ka expire jwang o sa phefumula moaka o le ka gare ga bophelo ba ka bo le ka gare go wena
a ke re ntate ke batla go itle a ke re o expirerile ke re ho ya ka melao ya o claima but ntate re tla sebedisana hobane o na le tumelo re bona because this is what happened. They broke his hand, his finger. Ntate o dutse 15 years. He had no lawyer, he had no family. Wa bona ka di case tsa ka ke thutile. But ba ne ke na le bona go tronko. Ho na le batho ba tshwaretseng ntho tsa ba sa di etsang.
pro bono na wa ka ne
Because they didn't have lawyers. They didn't have money. Lady good lawyers told her habana nako ya o prepare. Lo sheba internal they don't have time because it's all about money. But ke batla hore ntate Jenner tlo enkang le ena. I will walk with you. Wa rata ke tsamaisane le wena, ke tshwarisane le wena. Wa amoela thuso ya. Yeah. Ko ena o tlileng ko nna ke ithabelletse yena fela ka re shoot. Normally people ask to take pictures with me, but when I saw him, ka re ndate nna kopa o nka snap le wena. Ko ratile, you know, I just loved him. You just reminded me of my father. Yeah. So now I want to help you. And I believe God can change your life. And onale hope, onale tshepo. And in that labuaka this issue, I'm traumatized. Let's stretch our hands and pray in that. Kibata, all the people by Ling Hore, you are in prison now. We are going to pray. We have failed by the lawyers, we have failed by the state. Kibata rapele le familia twetwe. Le mme wa ngwana. I don't blame mme wa ngwana, but kere. Ekare modimo ka ba thusa to build that relationship. You can't have a child. A rechwe, as a rechwe, angakwazi ukutshela ukuthi urechwe. We need, especially kids who are small, there has to be that bomme, bontate, you know, grandparents, umntwana akwazi ukukhuluma ukuthi kunalento enzakele. And usikatshwarwa umuntu wrong just because community is angry. Anyone can just be pointed. And let us also think about boys who are being abused. My grandchildren were also beaten with my son and were locked in. Ngaba rescuer ngakhiphe phanga azange ngilimaze umuntu kuthi kuvulwe lapho baphume sibaleke. Now I become very proud when I see things like this. Now here's an old man, he came crying to me, can you help me? I've stayed 15 years in prison. I believe you can help me gain my money. How about I repay 1 million, which means that they will 15 million for 15 years.
But 750,000.
So if we
the pampers are by commander self wrong.
Oh, what's really settlement? Y'all in a way, man, chelete.
I gotta get in the game to state.
So how come you about neighbor ropa le chelete?
Again, all penny, I cannot send them a game way to it damages what I want to. So, what I honor the pampiri taken a little.
The lawsuit was done, and then the lawyer helped him. Umujile 7. So now the state cannot pay again. So I will investigate this. No, it's okay in that.
The pampiri how the one is not damages okay, the ya dilemo tse di trongo tsa ditsamene ba bona ba mokoba ba sa mmatse ba re boela le bomo ya go morago.
Yeah. No, that the other rapper.
You trongo tse di ne di sampatse tse
I know, I get where ka hore.
Abale ba la last brief, akina pampiri, akina magistrate, akina le ponisa. Ke botse ke maponisa le mo diseleng.
Mamela enda. Ke a utlwa. Ona jwale o na le modimo, o na le ntate mporo re ka tlo sebetsa le wena. A ke re tlile kone. Re tlo sebedisana le wena. Let's pray on that jwale. Phamisa matso a hao. Let's pray. He's been there. I mean, look at the won't be fired. He stayed 15 years in prison. You know. It's okay. We're looking.
But
all
right.
Ke dutse 15 years.
Kelelo
ya ka ile metse. Ke traumatized. Restore. Morena Jesu. Onjarile. You carried me on the cross. Onjarile spapano. njare wena
Njare,
ke a inela ho wena
ke inetse wa itse gore ke inetse kgale
ke inetse ho wena
ke inetse wena.
Lord, I pray for anyone who is watching, who is going through stuff. I pray for your grace, that they will find hope in Jesus. Thank you, God, for I went to jail unlawfully so that I can feel for someone who is going through the same. Praying that God, your grace in Poro Flight 57. Give me people through Christ, through the cross, and restore their lives. In the name of Jesus. Help him, Lord, set him free. Restore his heart. Now you've watched us. It's a very painful story. I didn't see it. That podcast, I just saw it today when he showed me where, and there unali clean ufedam wabona as years go by is deteriorating. Nabam interviewer lapha ku podcast ka Skim GP ku YouTube mega more clean yabona for ibhaliwe lapho wrongful arrest ufuna siyi promote siyayenza intando yakhe. Wrongful arrest ni Google lapho ku YouTube ga
Embaleke.
No lebiso la
Jacob More.
Jacob More, you can Google it lapho bam interview khona ya Google u Jacob More ku YouTube uzayibona lapho ufuna ukuvela lapho. But man, I'm not just about interviewing you to trend about. People don't care about wabona hole munna o nale matata. No, people don't care. But they only care if it's women.
Yes.
All right. So runare balance. I'm going to help this man. If there's any way you wanna help me help this man, we are going to check the skills and links on and work with him. And call this Mporo Flight 57. And ke tla romela team yaka e shebe mo ntata dulang o dula kae and check where mo a dulang teng 6340
Yes.
6340 ko Randapel ke tla isa team yaka ba a sa tsamaya fen ba yo checka mo and then tate o tle re bone you know how we can work with you. We are not going to just donate to you. We are going to help you. Got this business on a linyona robatlise di clients o sebetse ke bua hore bonna ba ha o ntse o function hantle na wa mhloka mosadi na ha o ka ne wa mosadi o tla khona o pela le
bo ever ke ba gane mara fela kana go ke neng go yona ke bona ke sia
ha o batle mosadi
ha ke bone o ke mothomo ke morning le na bone ro wa mpona mothomo ya na go nya le pela go na botsa
o wena o batla o shapa o fit no na ke yo mo ke batla ntate o be le motho e one o tla ya just o a emotse
nka le bo ga modimo wa go bane a ke
e ke ra o ka mthola o ka khona o sebetsa na
ke to ba modisa wa ka a ke re ke ena modisa wa ka
ke buela mamela ntate mamela ke ra o ka thola mosadi o tla khona hore o mo ne ditshebetso na
ya go bia
di a sebetsa di-tools di a sebetsa metšhini ya bontate ya sebetsa tlhogo ya sebetsa
ya sebetsa papa ke re wa mpona le wena o sebetsa
Ke a
ba
bona.
bana ba bangata gore ke na le 73
no a bonagale ntate o
ke
fresh
gola pension ke
Yabona? So a man is 73. So if you are a woman and you need a man, we are going to clean him up and do stuff. You're gonna see. This is
idea ka ke
Yabona? Here is a man. Re batla be le mosadi a be right. Watch him. Kana go sa fedising pele. Ke lebetse lo fana ka WhatsApp number ke. Nelikens. Yeah, le bone WhatsApp iteng mo. You can call me. Kiko Mporo Flight 57. You need prayers. You've got a situation ailing or you need God's divine intervention. You need a miracle. I'm still here and I'm in action. Kiyontate
ke le nyane e ntjha e ya
yeah so re qetile
ke gona le pension pela
o gola le pension a never so kole mo msadi
Ke SASSA.
monna o bona o na le SASSA o gola le pension he's got a card you see so re tla lokisa that ke a leboha that I want to work with I want to work with you on that I want to work with you or you can start ke etse di handouts ke batla fela o choose o be clean o be skono o be right you know ko bontshe mohau yeah because I understand the situation now uhloko tswa tronkong after so long o dutse jwale ha o sebetse ha ona life o gola pension and then in the next 3 years ke tla be gola pension I'll be 60 ke tswere patla in 3 years ngizabe ngiphethe induku ngihole pension ngingasasebenzi but ke a leboha ntate
okay papa
yeah yabona ntate nayithatha ka dinako tsae re tlo mqalla fatshe o ya ka hore ntate you are willing na how we can say to join this Mporo flight 57 we're going to be doing yeah nga re nke di address tsa ntate or re nkile di phone tankane